Hi there. How's going on, everybody? I hope you are doing good. So today we will explore Seaborn library. So last video we have explored the Matplotlib library, and I have told you in EDA series also we have that visualization library, visualization uh, lectures here. So part 1 is here and part 2 is here. You can go and refer for visualization technique for in the reference of Matplotlib and Seaborn. You will get to know how to plot their plots. Okay, so we are just going to read how we can uh, means read the documentation about that library. Okay, so here we have this reference link for visualizing this, and I had said you this library has based made on Matplotlib library, which is a wrapper of Matplotlib. Okay, so you can clearly they have written here. You can also read that Seaborn is the Python data visualization library based on Matplotlib. They are saying it provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical. So here we have some references, and directly we can go inside this library, and here you are, and you can see these the plots, which is very advanced. Like if you will compare Matplotlib and it's a simple interface. Like in examples you will go, it's a kind of simple interface you will see here. But if you will see, like wait, I will show you properly. Look, of this library you will get to know what are the differences. Here you will get the more robust color, means the color intensity is good here, and here is a little light colors, na. So that's why uh, we use both things, Matplotlib and Seaborn. But in like very huge data set we have in deep learning, which is unstructured data set. So mostly we can refer as a unstructured library for this for visualization purpose, this library. So if you will see this library carefully, if we are going here in gallery section, and here you will get in gallery section, here you will get to know the color intensity is good. Like we have this heat map, joint grid, cat plot, cluster map. These are all advanced library. Why? In cluster map we use in hierarchical clustering. It is for directly we can use for this heat graph for knowing the correlation between the data sets. mm, from data set, if you want to know correlation between the features, so you can use this one. For some plot you can use that for visualizing the clusters. For mm, rel plot you can use for viewing the data points and the different group of the data points. Like that you can view this thing. So that's why we use this Seaborn. So here you can see using scatter plot they have made this one. Okay, so like these examples you can take from here and learn. And just how do you will learn, friends? Here we have one um, function here, one another page, tutorial API release, citing and frequently asked questions. And if you want to know about this, you can go here also in GitHub, and you can see they are continuously updating. Look the timeline. 5 days ago, they used some pandas library, and they made some kind of plots there. They are changing here day by day. So it means it's a very advanced library. You should use that for visualization purpose. Mostly I prefer and I recommend you to use this, because in within a one line, without any effort, you can plot the lines here, graphs here, and visualize your data. So these thing happens here. And for learning purpose you can go in tutorial section, and in tutorial you will get here one table of contact, and you will get here the all the kind of figures, and that multi-plot grids, statistical operations. You will get plotting functions here, object interference inference, sorry, API overviews, and user guide for tutorials. If you will go inside this, you will get to know. Then this plot, like here it is histogram, and they are using counter plot also here, Anna. So this is like distribution plot for multiple tables, and this is for like decision tree. If you want to know what is your distribution, or what is your root or leaf node in decision tree, you can use this one for that. So these facilities we have for k-mean clustering and other classifiers, so we can use this one for classifying the data, and we can visualize. For regression we can use this. Like that, you should know all the making things here. For API reference also, you will get all the plots here. This is our main thing here inside this Seaborn library. If you will come here, and if you want to like plot bar plot, so you will find here where is bar, this one, and just click on that, and you will get here class name. This is our library name dot objects. Inside this object class there is one function called uh, bar, and inside this bar we have so many parameters, and what these parameters will do, you will get to know. Okay, and these are the, look friends, here only in within one line you will get this kind of figure. You can rotate that figure, minimize, maximize, colors intensity. You can make all the things using bar. And if I want area plot, then we can get this area plot also. This kind of tutorials you can make in advance. And if you want to count any kind of variables inside present in any column, so you can use this counter plot or count plot also. Nominal for ordinal data, and nominal data you can use that. We have so many tutorials here, so you can use that thing also. So dot plot also you can make this kind of scatter plot it is. And path plot also you can use this, how it is working, how it is going. In some data sets are there, we can use these plots. So Seaborn is nothing but it's just a library, but it's very very advanced until now. And if you want to use this one, please make sure you should prefer for this API reference here, API reference, so that you can make any kind of plot here, like scale object, base classes, stat objects, move objects, moving objects, or all the things you can make here. Like just plot in click, you will get what this plot is taking that arguments, and you will read about this arguments and methods here. One thing more, you can read if you want to become a developer of this Seaborn library, then you can read history from here. Citing, you can go here and check the what are the citing Seaborns here. And frequently asked questions, there is no need actually, but if you have any question and query, you can go and refer existing questions. If there is no question related to you, then you can post new questions and ask to them. So this was our Seaborn library. And I will make one more video for another library, like libraries actually, for which is very important for programming purpose in Python. How many libraries you should use for that, and what are the important libraries for that. And I will make for data science persons also, which 20 libraries you must learn. And for scripting or developer also I will make. So make sure check that videos also in future. Probably after 2 3 days it will come. And if you are seeing this tutorial later, then you will get that videos instantly. So till then, take care and keep practicing. Without practicing, you will not get to know anything. And after this, we will start sklearn, which is very very important library for machine learning. I will give you a detailed brief introduction and how to read and write the functions. Till then, thank you very much. Stay tuned. Bye bye.